In my last video, I showed you how I would take Foley samples and layer them and process them in a way to make your own unique drums. But today, I'm going to show you how you can take your own existing drums and add Foley and other sounds to them to give them character and dimension. Sound design with Dave. Today's video is sponsored by nobody, because I'm still nobody and nobody cares. So we're here in Ableton. I have a beat already made, and these are all samples by Virtual Riot, and I got them from Splice. And here's the beat. So I made it pretty simple on purpose so that there's space to add things. I also didn't use MIDI, and I used just samples and audio tracks so that you can see what I'm working with today. So let's go ahead and just start looking through sample packs and see what we can add. I'm gonna try adding this to the snare and see what happens. Oh, that's not what I meant to do. But I kind of like that. Let's turn it down a little bit. Pan it. And then I'll EQ it to make sure that it's not interfering with the kick. Yeah, well, I'm gonna go with that. Yeah, the OTT added a little bit more. I like that. Okay, let's keep looking. I think I'm gonna add this to every 2 bars on the second snare drum. And then I'm gonna add reverb to it. Let's EQ it really quick. I'm gonna pan this to the right. And then add the reverb. I'll turn it down a little bit so it fits in the mix. And now let's listen from the beginning. All right, let's move on. I'm gonna try adding this to the kick and see what it sounds like. That's kind of cool. I like that a lot, actually. I'm gonna EQ that. Get it out of the way. I realize that just throwing OTT on everything is really kind of barbaric, but sometimes as a sound design tool, it's really useful and a really cool preset. All right, now pan this just a tad. Whoops. I'll turn it down. Okay, I feel like it needs something underneath that kind of glues everything together, like a loop or something that we can loop. Let's find something long here. Let's see how this lines up. I'm going to warp this and then find. Okay, so I'm going to move this. I'm gonna add an auto pan and give it some rhythm. I'm just gonna turn that pretty far down in the mix. I was just looking for something underneath to kind of glue it together. I still want something crunchier on the snare, and I'm going to find it before the end of this video. Let's look in the Apple pack, because I know there's something in there. I'm actually going to consolidate and reverse this and have it swell into the snare. So I'm gonna have it swell in on, and then I'm gonna get rid of the swell here. I'm gonna bring it closer a little bit. So what I'm doing now is I'm kind of turning everything down. As I was mixing it, I kind of wanted to hear everything, but you want it to be more transparent. The kick and the snare have to hit, everything else is a texture. And in the next video, I'm gonna show you how you can take this beat, resample it, and then create this glitch effect using warp modes to add even more interesting textures to the beat. If you like the video or if you learn anything, let me know in the comments. Give it a like and subscribe. That's it for today, and I will see you in the next one.
Like, comment, subscribe. 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 Like,